Imagine this. The year is 1873. A tailor, Jacob Davis, and a businessman, Levi Strauss, are about to change the world of fashion forever. Frustrated by the rapid wear and tear on work pants, Davis concocts a brilliant solution. Metal rivets. These tiny metal pins, strategically placed at pocket corners and other high-stress areas, were a game changer. Davis, however, hit a snag. He needed funds to patent his idea. Enter Levi Strauss, a visionary in his own right, who saw the potential in Davis's innovation. Together, they secured a patent for what they called the improvement in fastening pocket openings. Thus, the first blue jeans were born, crafted from durable denim and reinforced with those signature metal rivets. Originally termed waist overalls, these pants were a boon for miners and laborers, offering unprecedented durability. Fast forward to today, and those rivets have transcended their humble beginnings. Not just functional, they are now iconic symbols of style and durability, an integral part of jeans that signal quality and authenticity, especially in a pair of Levi's. So next time you slip into your jeans, remember, you're not just wearing a pair of pants. You're wearing a piece of history, fortified by small but mighty rivets that revolutionized an entire industry.